Hey everyone, it's Nick here from Barley Monks Photography, your Hills District family photographer, and I thought it'd be a great idea to go through a few of the locations I shoot at just to help you out with your next family session. I know how difficult it can be choosing a location to do your family shoot with your kids, especially when you're investing a bit of money in the shoot and you want the best results you can get from it. That's why I thought I'd create this series of video, and this is part one of them. So we're down here today at a reserve in Beaumont Hills, and I really like this location because there's a few different spots to choose from. So if you're unsure about it or you haven't seen it before, there's a few different options when you get down here to choose from. This is the first spot of those, and I really like this area here because you get some beautiful backdrops with the shapes in the trees behind you and the different types of foliage and greenery here, which is really nice to grab those shots of the kids in front of. I also like over here you've got some beautiful reeds that are nice and tall and work really well for photos as well, especially in the afternoon, because you get the sun setting down there behind the trees and you get the great rim light around your subjects, and it just picks up the colours in those reeds beautifully as well. Also, if you don't like having your photo taken with too many people around, you don't get crowds through here. It's very quiet, especially in the afternoons. There's just not much foot traffic like you'd normally get in kids parks and other locations. So yeah, this is the reserve at Beaumont Hills. Also, here's a shot of the map where you can find it, so you can see if it's close to you. Alright, so hang around for my next video and I'll take you to another spot in this location.